Transform your static PowerPoint slides into captivating, interactive experiences with Dochub, and let's see how. First, head over to Dochub and log into your account once you're in. You'll want to create a new presentation or open an existing one. Think of Dochub as your presentation's creative studio. To start adding content, simply click on the slide you want to work with. You can then select the Add Element button. This unlocks a world of possibilities beyond just text and basic images. Want to embed a video? Choose the video option and either upload a file or paste a link from popular platforms. This instantly makes your slide more dynamic, allowing you to tell stories visually. Images are more than just static pictures. Here you can import your images and then add engaging animations to them. Think subtle fades, zooms, or even revealing effects to draw attention to key visuals. But what about true interactivity? Dochub lets you add buttons and links directly onto your slides. This is fantastic for creating self-guided presentations, quizzes, or linking to external resources without leaving the presentation flow. You can even integrate external web content, making your presentations truly a gateway to online information. Imagine showcasing a live poll or a real-time data dashboard right within your slides. To preview your masterpiece, simply hit the Present button. See how your animations play, your videos stream, and your interactive elements respond. It's your chance to experience your presentation as your audience will. Finally, once you're happy with your creation, you can export your presentation. Dochub seamlessly integrates with your existing workflow, making it easy to share your enhanced presentations. That's how you can elevate your PowerPoint slides with Dochub, making them memorable and impactful. Happy presenting!